So I saw a TikTok the other day that disturbed me, disgusted me, and I would even go so far as to say it shook me to my core. I saw a girl take bacteria from the inside of her mask and culture it in a petri dish. So I have disposable masks that I keep in my car for when I don't have a mask or like I forget one and I need to run in somewhere real quick. But as far as cloth masks, I don't have a big supply. I have three, but one I never use because it's a little small. And even this one is a little small. It's like my emergency. I don't have anything else. I don't even have disposables. This is my best one. This is my most successful mask that I've made. Other than that, I need more. My family also needs more. Like I need more, my family needs more. Basically, we all need more. I'm trying to not use so many disposable masks just because I don't want to create like waste on the earth. I am trying to eliminate the amount of waste that I'm generating by doing these things. So I'm using fabric scraps that I already have lying around. I just feel like it's a good time to make some more masks, especially since this one is not the best. It's a prototype. It doesn't cover as much of my face as I would like. I'm pretty sure I didn't wash the fabric before I made it, so I feel like it shrunk quite a bit. This is my best one. So I want to make more in this size and also in this style, then also make some for my family. So that's what we're gonna do today. Just make a bunch of masks. Anyway, let's make some masks. So I actually have 3 mask sizes that I've made. I have extra small, small, and medium. I've just been sizing them up ever since, well, this was my first one. This was the one that I used for that white mask. I've been sizing them up ever since. So there's this one. This was the pattern piece I used for that black mask. And then this is the one that I'm using for people with actual adult sized faces. This is actually what I'm going to use to make the masks for my family. Basically all of the quilting cotton that my mom has been hoarding from like Walmart and Joann's, but these aren't fabrics that I would ever pick. Like I'm cool with just plain black, or have some ideas for like other fabrics that I want to use as fashion fabric over the top, but I'll probably do those in another video or something. But basically this is what I'm making these masks out of right now because that's what my mom keeps bringing to me. So I'm just going to try and make a bunch of these. Why is this so satisfying? I think this is actually only 8 masks. No, sorry, 18. What am I saying? 18. It looks like it's going to be a whole lot, but because each mask is double layered, this is only 18. And then I have my elastic pieces cut out as well, but I have more on the way because this is only enough for about 8 masks. So now it's just bulk sewing these and hopefully getting a whole bunch done today. Currently, I am bulk sewing these. So basically I ran all of these through the machine, just sewing this center front seam. And now I'm going to, hold on, let me see if I can do this. So now I can face them right sides together, and I'll be sewing all of the top seams and then going back and sewing all of the bottom seams. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, done. So I did make 15 masks. I'm definitely not done making masks because I still have more fabric, I have more people to make masks for, and I just have more masks to make. Definitely not done with that, but I figured I'd end the video here. I really hope you guys liked it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.